day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hey guys, so I'm thinking about doing a series of basically redecorating my entire house because I'm bored of how it looks. I have gray and white everywhere and it has no actual decoration going on. So we're gonna have to spice it up and change some things up. Also, Mulan ate my rug. So we're gonna need a new rug. And because rugs make or break your space, I feel like it's the perfect time to just have everything match and make sure that I know what I'm picking up and everything just goes well together. So since it's gonna be like a whole bunch of like house series type of thing, I'm really excited to just work on my porch as well as my gardening area. I just want everything to just look great and I can feel great when I'm just like staring at things in my house, outside my house. My porch area is super important to me because every morning I like to have a cup of tea and read and just plan my to-do list. So I just want a zen area away from anything stressful, and for me that's outside in my hammock. They don't like each other right now because she's in heat and she's trying to chase him and hump him and it's not cool. We have to get her clipped. It's good for her health and also for our sanity because someone here has been marking up the place. You've been marking up the place. Oh, she's such a good girl though. Hey guys, so the first spot we're gonna start is the porch because I want to be able to read and have my tea in the morning here, but we have lots of like junk here right now. As you can see, I painted the surrounding areas already, but I still have to paint the floor. So we're gonna do the floor gray, but there's so much stuff. Like these buckets are gonna be so heavy to move. This, I'm supposed to have like plants growing here, so I just want to paint everything and then set up my little planting area. I had so much junk on that porch. I was using it as like literally a hoarding area where I just do whatever I didn't want to deal with on the porch. So here I am just moving everything on my way so I can start painting. Hey guys, it's a whole nother day. I forgot why I couldn't even like actually paint the other day. I don't remember honestly, but we're back at it. I wish you guys could see this awful consistency. I kind of don't want to bring you guys too close and have it splatter on the camera. It's like chunky cottage cheese looking. And I don't know why. Look at it. I don't know. I finished touching up this. Hopefully you guys even like notice the difference. I honestly don't know why my paint looks like cottage cheese, bro. Guys, I thought this was gonna be quick and easy. I was wrong. Or I'm just extremely out of shape. Oh my goodness, only this side is gonna get painted. Only us know. So we're gonna keep that between us. I am exhausted from just painting that side, so we're gonna paint that one. We're gonna paint the stupid buckets. And then I'm going inside and watching some Charm. And no, not the new crap. No offense. Well, yes, offense. Not the new one. The old one with Alyssa Milano. Do you guys see this? Look at the condition of my brush. This is embarrassing. I don't even know how long it took me, but I feel like it took me way longer than it should have took me. So while I wait for my trellises to dry on the porch, this is the area I have to work with. I have to pull lots of weeds out. I have to pick up old tree leaves, and I also have to till the soil to get everything ready for planting. This is where I'll be planting all my veggies. It's a decent amount of space. Honestly, I wish I had more garden area, but it is what it is. I'm still very happy with it. Here I am planting some Swiss chard seed. Wish me luck, guys. Hopefully it grows. how my porch looks as of right now. It looks brand spanking new. I am obsessed with it. I don't want to move the camera too much up so you guys, I don't know, some weirdos might figure out where I live, so we're just gonna have to do this angle for now. Hi, June. Oh. Hi. Okay. We both love the new porch and we can't wait to decorate it some more. For now we have just plants over there. I don't want to put too much pressure and like too much weight on the porch, so I'm not gonna do too much, but I might do like some stringy lights going across the porch for nighttime, so it'll be cute. But I just cannot wait to put my hammock over here, so when I lay back all I see is this beautiful view of basically my cute little garden on the porch. I do have more stuff planted at the side that I'll show you in a little. Okay guys, so I brought my hammock outside. Hi! And now we just gotta set it up. Say hi! He absolutely loves being in the hammock. We just come here, we put our tea right there. Or I like how I say our, like he drinks tea with me. But I put my tea there and I just read in the hammock and he would just nap with me. And we enjoy the most amazing breeze. So I just came back from Liberty Avenue and basically it's full of West Indian people and it has a bunch of grocery stuff for really cheap. So I got a bunch of plants. I got so much spinach. Holy cow. There's like 8 different spinach in one of these trays. I think I might have went a little crazy. 8, and I got 3 trays. A little insane. Do I have the amount of space to plant everything I got? I'm not sure. I don't think so, but we will make do. I need a bigger yard and porch. Then I got all this stuff here and we have a shit ton of bok choy. Quick little garden update. These are my Malabar spinach, growing so good already. It's gonna just keep growing way higher because it is like a type of vine. So that's really awesome. I'm gonna get lots of use out of this. I could honestly start picking it now and it'll just keep growing. We have the hammock. So this is my pepper plant. I think like a cat or something got into it because it did bite it up a little. This is my cilantro. My strawberries, oh my god. So I went by my parents and of course I wasn't home to water anything, so it took a big hit. And a lot of it dried up, so that's why it looks so sad right now. This one is somehow a little bit better. I don't know. It didn't really have that much of an impact on this one as it did on this one. But yeah, so this is my green onions area. It looks a mess. This is the situation. I'm going to just take care of it later, but I just wanted to show you an update. I have oregano, the other pepper plants, my kale is doing so good. I actually took it out, well, took some out of this bucket, moved it into here, moved some into here, and they've been growing at like different pace. I guess it depends on like the sunlight it was getting. So this little area is such a sad little area because I feel like it doesn't get enough sunlight. The plants aren't doing well, and once again I did go away for way too long and didn't get to take care of them, so they're even more sad because of that. But these are like little red romaine lettuce and like basically a mixed pack. And now it's starting to grow. Not this one. This one I bought separately and planted it. I'm pretty sure over here it's going to be filled up beautifully soon. And over here is so sad, bro, but I thought I would give up, but then I found a little baby kale. I believe that's a baby kale. I mean, I planted enough of them for now. Then I found more there. So like I said, I was giving up and then I decided not to. Yeah, I planted Swiss chard in here, but it's nowhere to be seen. Last year I planted tomatoes here. It did horribly, but I tried it again. Now this is my favorite area. And this is how everything was looking. I did pull out some choy from there because I planted watermelon there. So I needed space for the watermelon, so I pulled out a lot of choy that has started to flower. But these one didn't start to flower yet, so I'm just gonna pick from them and continue to use them. So I think this is my favorite little section because we already have like goodies to pick from. We have 2 beans, another one, some more growing right here, and it has so much flowers in the plant, so I'm guessing we're gonna have lots more beans. Really busy on my street today, but yeah, I got gifted like 4 more of these beans plant. That's why they're different size from these ones, because they just came into my garden. Look, there's little ones. Ooh, and an okay size one there. Okay, so super excited. I have watermelon plants from Brazil in my garden. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, we have 7 watermelon plants. I actually thought I was only like 4. This is all the bok choy to pick from. And then over there we have some eggplant. Last year eggplants were okay in my garden. Let's see how it does this year. And then we also have some summer squash here. I planted it from seeds, so yeah, it's gonna take a while, you know. But oh my goodness, this is my garden. I've been getting, I don't know, down and dirty with my finger. I've been just digging in the dirt and truly enjoying it. It feels very therapeutic and peaceful. I just want to say a huge thank you so much for watching. I know I've been gone for so long, and this was a pretty lengthy video, so thank you so much if you made it to the end. Also, I know I looked a little busted in the video, but it just goes to show, guys. I don't even know what I was going through, but I was going through it clearly. My face was just not having it. And honestly, going back to being in nature and being grounded, I feel like really helped me out. I'm glowing, I think. I look way nicer now, and all I have on is lip gloss. I kid you not. So my skin is doing better. Ooh, I'm glowing a little too much. It is hot. But yeah, my skin is doing so much better, and I'm just in a better state of mind. And I truly think that's because I spent the time to clean up my space, decorate things how I wanted to decorate it, and also just being in nature. That truly just shifted everything to me. So if you're going through something and you're in a bad mood or just bad state of mind, I truly think that you should try, I don't know, redecorating or cleaning your space. And definitely if you can, take your shoes off, go play in the dirt, toes in and everything, go dig in the dirt, just be free. And I feel like the earth will recharge your battery and give you so much energy and positive energy that you might be lacking or missing out on. Well, that's what happened to me basically. I feel like after I played in the dirt and was just in nature, that I just recharged, and I feel a lot better now. So here I am back on YouTube, ready to just film videos for you guys. And it's not just for you guys, it's for me too, where I'm filming things that will like excite me, and it's not gonna be like a job, it's me having fun. And that's what this video was. Honestly, I had so much fun just whipping out my camera and just film me doing the things I love. And I feel like hopefully that shows that through the camera, you know what I mean, that I'm having a good time fixing things up and playing in the dirt, planting things. So yeah, I truly had so much fun filming this video. Even if like no one watches it, I'm very proud of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. For those of you who haven't unsubbed to my sporadic posting ass, so thank you so much. I promise you I am back, and I'm just going to put out the best videos I can. Oh wow, I got called out. How many I'm back videos? I don't know, guys. You guys can let me know how much of those I'm back videos did I really put out there. Well, I'm truly back. I'm better than ever, in a better state of mind, so don't try to bring me down, Q. Anyways, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Turn that bell notification on as well so you get notified when I post, since I'm sporadic, but I'm going to work on that. Yeah. Bye. See you in the next one.